afternoon because it's way past 12. I think it's almost about 2, 3 o'clock. So I'm about to do a little bit of laundry. I don't know if it's going to be a separate vlog by itself or if it's just going to be put into a weekly vlog. But today is, what's today? Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. I have been on vacation since the day before Christmas Eve. I have just been relaxing. So I'm going to go ahead and wash a couple of loads of clothes, get it out the way. So yeah, I need to clean out my refrigerator. I need to do a deep clean in it, just take everything out and clean. So I may include that in today. Probably go ahead and take down the Christmas tree either today or tomorrow. So yeah, let me get these clothes in this washer. And I'm also waiting on Instacart order from Publix, where I needed to order a couple of things. I feel like making tacos tonight, something simple and easy. I need to grease my hair. So yeah. Alright y'all, so it looks like I have, including the load that's in the washer now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loads. Because I'm going to break those right there up. And then I have my towels. So right now I'm about to eat me these 2 eggs. And I'll see you guys later.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she's just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.
Alright y'all, so I am gonna go ahead and clean out this refrigerator. Probably not gonna do a lot of talking, and probably just gonna put some music over this video. All right. So this is what it's looking like. I just took 2 of the pots out. So yeah.
Wait up, ain't got no time for that. I've stayed up, I was hoping that you would change your ways. Wake up, you blew your final chance. Make up, I'm trying but I cannot be mad at you. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. Yeah, 'cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you. reached the point of no return now. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. Yeah, 'cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I've fallen for you hopelessly. Remember the things that you told me. They got me moving forward. And all the times that we disagreed just cut my respect deeper. I'm feeling that we are something really, oh, special when I look back on us. It's starting to sink in. Don't want it to be misunderstood. Rolling in the deep. Don't want to break this. 'Cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. So baby, won't you trust me? 'Cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly.
Alright, y'all, so this is what the refrigerator is looking like. All cleaned. And I just need to put the little mats back in.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride.
Alright, y'all, so my Instacart order has come in. Let me show y'all what I got. So, thought this was going to be more, but I got a thing of ground beef for dinner tonight. I got 2 things of cheese, and this one was a substitute because I put in the taco cheese thing. Alright, I need some more trash bags, so I got trash bags. I got me a little spaghetti and meatball. Got me a Welch's orange pineapple. Got a thing of sour cream for dinner tonight. Got a thing of bananas, and these look okay because lately when I've been having them shop for my bananas, they have been green. So these look okay. They look okay. I got 2 Golden Delicious apples. I got a thing of shredded lettuce. I got some diced tomatoes. And I got, I don't even know where to go. I didn't put these in a bag. But I got 8-count Schweppes ginger ale, and I got the honey, a 10-count of Pepsi. These are is that right? Pepsi. These are on sale, buy one get one. So for both of those, they were like $9.41. So yeah, that's everything that I got on my little Instacart order from Publix. So let me go ahead and finish folding up these clothes, putting them up, and I'm about to go ahead and get dinner started. Alright y'all, so for dinner tonight, this is going to be dinner tonight. So let me go ahead and get my frying pan. Go ahead and get ready to turn the stove on. Let me get my ground beef. Y'all, I am so hungry. Kind of had breakfast. Well, not really. I had 2 boiled eggs. I think that's all I've had to eat all day. Was 2 boiled eggs. So I am hungry. Girls had some leftover nuggets from last night. So let's go ahead and stick the ground beef in. Let's grab a spoon. We're gonna go ahead and let this cook down. Once it cooks down, then I'll add my salt, pepper, onion powder, because I'm out of garlic powder, and my seasoning, taco seasoning. So let's let that hang out and do what it do. That's what you get. Alright y'all, I am just hopping on here to close out this vlog. I am tired. I've been up since, well, I slept in a little late this morning. I got up, I want to say about 10, but I have been working ever since I got up. So, just wanted to come on and say, hope you enjoyed this vlog, and hope you have a wonderful evening. Good night. See you on the next one.